In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible calendar that helps you plan events, track deadlines, and manage schedules all in one place. Start by opening Notion and signing into your workspace. Head to the page where you want your calendar to live. If you prefer a fresh start, create a new page from the left sidebar so your calendar has a dedicated home you can return to easily. Click in an empty area on the page, type the / and choose Database. From the database options, select Calendar. Notion will instantly add a calendar database to the page, ready for you to customize and use. Give your calendar a clear name at the top, something like Content Calendar, Project Schedule, or Personal Planner. A descriptive title makes it easier to find and keeps your workspace organized. Take a look at the default date property that appears automatically. This field controls where each item shows up on the calendar. You can rename it to something more specific if you like, but be sure to keep it as a date type property so items display correctly. Add your first entry by clicking directly on a date in the calendar or by selecting New. Enter a concise title that captures the purpose of the event or task. Then set the date and time. You can add start and end times for precise scheduling or enable a date range if the item spans multiple days. To organize your calendar further, add additional properties. Common ones include status to track progress, tags or category for grouping, priority to highlight what matters most, and assignee if you're coordinating with a team. These properties will appear as fields in your entries and make it easier to sort and filter later. Customize how the calendar displays by using filters and sorts. Filters let you show only certain items like tasks with a specific tag or status. Sorts help you order entries by date, priority, or status so your most important items rise to the top. If you want alternative ways to manage the same data, create additional views. Click Add a View and choose Table, Board, or Timeline. Each view looks at the same database, so any changes you make in one view will appear in the others. You can reschedule items at any time by dragging and dropping entries to new dates. Those changes update across all views automatically. Keep adding and refining entries as your schedule evolves. You can edit, duplicate, or archive items whenever you need to keep things tidy. Your Notion calendar is now ready to use. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.